क्लास नाइन्थ। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 74 करेंगे। ये ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर 2 फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया इससे रिलेटेड है। इस वर्कशीट में आपको 10 क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर जो 6 है वो सोर्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। आपको पैराग्राफ रीड करना है और आपको क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। अ लैंड मास bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as, so answer number 1, पेनिनसुला। जो इंडिया का सदर्न पार्ट है वो भी 3 तरफ से सी से घिरा हुआ है। एक तरफ से अरेबियन सी, दूसरी तरफ से इंडियन ओशन, एक तरफ से बे ऑफ बंगाल। तो इंडिया का जो सदर्न पार्ट है वो भी पेनिनसुला है। पेनिनसुलर इंडिया इसलिए कहते हैं हम। सो आंसर नंबर 1 इज पेनिनसुला। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द हिमालयाज इन इंडिया। अगर हम बात करें हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द हिमालयाज इन द वर्ल्ड इज माउंट एवरेस्ट। लेकिन माउंट एवरेस्ट जो है वो कहाँ पर है? नेपाल में है। तो इंडिया की बात हो रही है तो इसका आंसर होगा कंचनजंगा। सो आंसर नंबर 2 इज कंचनजंगा। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, पंजाब हिमालय is situated between which two rivers? So answer number 3 is the part of the Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as पंजाब हिमालय। तो 2 रिवर्स जिनके बीच में पंजाब हिमालय है वो है इंडस एंड सतलुज। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, highest peak of the eastern ghats is, answer number 4 is Mahendragiri. Mahendragiri height 1501 meters is the highest peak in the eastern ghats. Now question number 5, state true or false, the most alluvial soil is found in the northern plains. In India, alluvial soil is mostly found in the northern plains and the coastal plains. But northern plain area is more, therefore this statement is true. Answer number 5, the most alluvial soil is found in the northern plains. This statement is true. Now question number 6. We have to read the paragraph carefully and answer the following questions. The folds of Great Himalayas are asymmetrical in nature. The core of this part of Himalayas is composed of granite. It is perennially snowbound and a number of glaciers descend from this range. The range lying to the south of Himadri forms the most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3700 and 4500 meters, and the average width is of 50 kilometer, while the Pir Panjal range forms the longest and the most important range. The Dhauladhar and the Mahabharat ranges are also prominent ones. This range consists of the famous Valley of Kashmir, the Kangra, and Kullu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. This region is well known for its hill station. So question number 1, what type of rocks have formed the central part of the Himalayan mountains. आपने पढ़ा है पैराग्राफ में, तो जो उसका कोर जो है वो सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द हिमालय का किससे बना है? ग्रेनाइट से. सो आंसर नंबर 1 इज ग्रेनाइट रॉक्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Which mountain range is located south of Himadri? तो आंसर नंबर 2 इज हिमाचल और लेसर हिमालय. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which region is well known for its hill station? So answer number 3 is हिमाचल और लेसर हिमालय. Now question number 4. What are compressed rocks? Compressed rocks form when two plates collide. Compressive stresses can also result in folding of rocks. The Himalayan mountains was also built by this process. Himalayan mountains are also fold mountains. Now question number 7. What do you understand by the Barkans? So answer number 7th is Barkans are crescent shaped dunes, cover larger areas. If you visit Jaisalmer, you may go to see a group of Barkans. तो ये आपको मिलते हैं राजस्थान में. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is, why is the northern plains a densely populated area? So answer number 8 is, the northern plains are densely populated area because of rich soil cover. वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा मिलती है alluvial soil, which is very fertile soil. Second, adequate water supply. Third is favorable climate. Fourth, agriculturally productive. Fifth is development of transport system. Therefore, northern plains are densely populated area. Now, question number 9. What is the importance of Himalayan mountains to us? So, answer number 9. The Himalayas save our country from the cold and dry winds of Central Asia. Second, it also prevents the rain-laden monsoon winds of the Indian Ocean from crossing over to northern countries and causes heavy rainfall in northern India. Third, almost all the great rivers of India have their sources in the Himalayan ranges. Fourth, abundant rainfall and vast snowfields as well as large glaciers are the feeding grounds of the mighty rivers of India. Fifth, all the beautiful hill stations in northern India like Kullu, Manali, Dehradun, etc. are located in the Himalayas. Now, question number 10. Distinguish between the relief features of the Himalayan region and the peninsular plateau. So, difference between Himalayan region and the peninsular plateau. First, Himalayan region जो है वो they lie to the north of India. And peninsular plateau, they lie to the south of India. Second, it is in the shape of an arc. Himalayan region is in the shape of an arc. But peninsular plateau is in the shape of a triangle. Third, Himalayan region, they can be divided into 3 parts. Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. But peninsular plateau consists of 2 broad divisions, Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Fourth, the Himalayan mountains comprises greatest and highest mountain ranges of the world. Mount Everest, height 8848 meter, is the highest peak, while the Peninsular Plateau has a lower elevation, with highest peak being Anaimudi is 2695 meters in height. Fifth, the perennial rivers originate from the Himalayan mountains, but in peninsular rivers, most of the peninsular rivers of the Peninsular Plateau are seasonal. So our worksheet 74 जो है वो यहाँ ख़त्म होती है.